I think one of the key things about the morning coffee machine is that it really was designed around the user, how the user would interact with the machine. That when you work or when you interact with other coffee machines that dispense these capsules, all the interaction is kind of hidden up top. Like you to choose the size of pour and so on is all up top. And in the morning coffee machine, we had the opportunity to show more information and also show information in a way that was more friendly. In the end, although you have a machine that is kind of black and slick and designed to hide away in your countertop with the rest of your kitchen appliances, the fact that we have a display up front that lights up and shows you relevant information about your brew, the details of what you can control with the brew, that was a very deliberate decision to have it forward facing and also to be kind of top of mind when you interact with the machine. Down to the level of tactility, that when you have that little dial up on the face of the machine, that it gives you a level of control, of selection that feels quite different and a bit more precise than what you're used to with all those push button machines up top. So I think that's a key principle of what guides how the user interaction feels like when you're working with the machine beyond just what it looks like. So this is one of the first machines or few machines out there with a separate water bypass, meaning that it dispenses water separately from the same opening that dispenses coffee, right? So that means that certain ways that the nozzle has to be designed to cater for the flow of coffee or the flow of water is a little bit different, and there's some attention spent on the underside of that nozzle. How do we get it so that the coffee flows out well? How do you get it so that it doesn't pool? How does it look like when the coffee dispenses? How does it look like when it flows? Down to the LED which was put into the machine, and we had quite a few iterations. How do you actually get it to look happy or nice when your coffee is done? And even something as simple as lighting up your coffee to indicate that it's done when you're standing a few meters away is a nice touch, right? Beyond the smell and the scent of the coffee, that you see that, okay, my coffee is ready for me to drink.